Hello everyone, Moxie Day 19. I did a live stream on Steam. I don't think it worked totally ideally. So here we go, Moxie Day 19. I'm going to talk about how to make no-code frames which you can use to earn Moxie rewards, because it's not with every frame, as you will see. And there is totally functional, easy to use solution called Frametrain. Frametrad.in. You just sign in with your Farcaster. Let me do it because I was apparently logged out. There you go. When you log in, you will see this. I already made some templates, that's why you saw some of them on the top. You will see basically different templates which you can use to jumpstart your frame journey. If you click browse, you will see there are more. I think the guys did some competition or contest or bounty hunting for different frames. These are the winners, and they cover different things. Make frame from PDF, poll template. I will show you how to do this. Figma, if you're using Figma, this is actually a nice one. Call.com, I would start using it just for the chance to give people the option to book a call with me in a frame if my clients would actually use it. I've used this Medium template for blog capital. Works like a charm. Quizzes, Luma, presentation, totally easy to understand. And if you want to use the template, just click on the plus. Something happens, and it basically gets you the beginning. This is the configuration which I showed you before. Here's the question. Here is the question, and the only the question. Yeah, sometimes you have to suffer through reloading, but you get used to it. It's kind of saving things, so you have to live with it. Voting options. You have to fill in, for each voting option, you fill in two names. One is for the results page, which can be probably a little longer, and the button label, which I recommend just one word, because otherwise, the screen fills up pretty quickly. So this will be button 1, this will be button 1 result, and you will see how it looks when I edit. Now you will see down here, button 1. This is button B, this is button label. Results page is button 1 result. So that's the whole name of the thing. And you can add, obviously, to result. And you can add up to 4 options. That's pretty much what fits at the bottom. They all stack, one next to each other. Here you can play with the colors. You know that I like gradients, so I use the end of the spectrum here usually, or bright colors. But it's totally up to you. You can change the color. You can use just color. You can use gradients, whatever is your favorite. And this is pretty much it. Once you want to go and publish a frame, there are 3 buttons here. This is for any Moxie. You need to bring up your Airstack API key. You find it in Moxie, in Airstack account settings. You have one production key. Use that one. You just copy paste it here. It will load it and it will be saved. There is a nice neat thing. You remember when you click on the picture in the frame, it takes you to a page where there is just a picture, nothing else. So you can actually put URL here. If people click it, you can take them to your web page or anywhere else you want. It's pretty neat. Simulate, if you would have more complicated frame with some logic, you can simulate different things here. And then, if you are ready, you just hit publish. And here you will copy the frame, you will hit publish, and it will be it. I will show you what happens when you go to Warpcast. When you go to Warpcast, you basically just copy paste the frame thing, and it will look like this. You don't have to worry. If you do this on Supercast, it will unpack nicely in Warpcast on the web. It looks perfectly fine on the mobile. It's just, how the web thing renders it right now. And it will look after, I'm not going to paste this one, but when you post it, this is what it looks like. This is the frame which I did in today's live stream. And I am pondering the universe. They usually work pretty nice. This is, the labels for answers. And if you click this, it will take you to the Frametrain website where you can do exactly what I did right here. And that's it for today, guys. Moxie Day 19. Spread the word. And if you have any questions about any topic you would like to know, just let me know.